Well, hello, it's Shonnie Alridge. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Henry County in the city of McDonough touring a beautiful home in the registry. Yes, and we're in the Union Grove School District. How about that? This home behind me is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,738 square foot home. We're going to go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Yes, this home is beautiful. Did you love this tour? I know you did. Listen, JR Homes is closing out this community, the registry. And this home, the Graycliff, is absolutely stunning. But what they're going to do to incentivize you buyers to move here is to offer you $10,000 of closing cost contribution. Yes, absolutely. And it's going to lower your closing costs dramatically, right? So when you talk about new construction, you don't want to go edit loan. You want to have representation. You want to have someone represent you and your family's interests. And consider me a resource. I'm here for you. The builder has their sales agents to represent them, and you need someone to represent you and your family's interests. And I can do that. I have 20 plus years of experience here in real estate, and I have relationships. So I leverage that to make sure that you have a great contractual experience. Right now, as you can see, I'm in this beautiful kitchen. There is an island right here in front of me. Then there's the breakfast area. Of course, there's a walk-in pantry in this kitchen. And the 2-story living room is right in front of me. Over here to the side is the hidden staircase near the mudroom and the garage. And one of the really big pluses about this particular home and its floor plan is that it offers the owner suite on the main level. And this owner suite is actually a large owner suite with a luxurious bathroom and a really nice size walk-in closet for you and your partner, your spouse. So listen, contact me right away. My information is right here. Call me, text me, email me. I will respond. I can't wait to work with you and talk to you about your move here to Georgia. Go ahead and contact me right away. I'm here to assist you in every way possible so we can make sure that you get into the home that you and your family love, okay? So go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share. Get the word out about the registry. Get the word out about living here in McDonough in the Union Grove School District, all right? Go ahead and watch some of my other videos as well. Enjoy the home tours and to see what's going on here in Georgia, okay? And we'll talk to you very soon. Take care.